Hey, what's going on? That noise you hear in the background, that I think I just harmonized with a vacuum cleaner. I did, I harmonized. I'm annoying myself right now. I wanted to talk about just for a second, just for a smidge on the Occupy Wall Street. What in the blue blazes, sweet baby Moses, is going on out there? It's crazy. So the Occupy Wall Street movement. I don't get these people. You know how when you they got shoved away from a park. From a park, they got shoved away from the park. They're in a place where like, bang, bang, don't do that. There it goes again. It's really high note there, really high note. Anyway, so the Occupy Wall Street chanters, the ones that chant, the guy, they say, we don't wanna go. The crowd goes, we don't wanna go. And they're like, we're not gonna leave, we're not gonna leave. How they say all that. Well, this stupid guy, he was up on a box, and he was like, we're not gonna go. And the crowd was like, we're not gonna go. That made sense. That part made sense. And then I think it would stop. Well, it's ridiculous. So, then he's like, we're not gonna go. We're not gonna go. And then he's like, we're not gonna leave till our demands are met, and we're not gonna do things that people like us to do, and we're just gonna keep up what we're doing. He went on and on, was my point. When you're chanting stuff, you gotta keep it simple, because people were like, when they were trying to, say it back to them, they were that vacuum cleaner. It's like I'm anticipating the vacuum cleaner starting. And now there's it's like it hates me. You know what? I'm gonna publish this video anyway. Even though it totally messed up where I was going with this. And let's face it, it was brilliant. It was gonna be brilliant. I had several succinct thoughts specifically about I'm